What's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. And today, alright, I did a shadow taper on a 360 waver, okay? Now, this waver had a shag in the back. He's not like an elite waver or nothing like that, but he getting his waves right. His wife surprised him with a 360 Jeezy appointment. He was super excited, man. He kind of guessed it because, you know what I'm saying, I guess she said, hey, you know, you can't cut your hair. We're going somewhere. He kind of put two and two together, you know what I'm saying? Next time, you know what I'm saying, just say, you know, we going somewhere that doesn't involve you needing your haircut. You know what I'm saying? Say something a little bit more slicker than that. All the wives out there that want to surprise their husband with a 360 Jeezy appointment, y'all got to come up with something better. But nah, for real, on the real though, I appreciate you bringing them by because this cut was fire, all right? It's the first time I ever did kind of like a shadow taper that I filmed for you guys to see. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to teach you how I did it. It's simple. It's easy. You know what I mean? You're sitting on the couch anyway. Why don't you get up and try to learn something today? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. YouTube, so before you start cutting waves, what you want to do is comb the hair out first. This lifts the hair off the scalp. That way it's easier for the hair to run through the teeth of the blade. So my client wanted a 2 on top, so I went ahead and grabbed my 2 guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm going with the grain of my client's pattern. Now when it comes to the crown area, I went ahead and I opened up the lever and I'm just going with the grain of his pattern. It's like a swirl. Every cowlick is like a swirl, so you want to go around the cowlick, not through it. Now when it comes to a shadow taper, you're not supposed to do a bald line first or at all, you know what I'm saying? So right now I got my 1 guard and I'm just debulking it with the lever open, and I'm brushing down as I go, making sure everything is at that length, going over the guideline multiple times. Now putting on the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm going up, debulking at the top, making sure everything runs smoothly into the 2 with the grain that's on top. So now I'm gonna take my 1 guard with the lever open and I'm just gonna go with the grain first, and then I'm gonna turn the clipper around and just blend in the 1 from the 2 in a flick out motion. Now this is a different motion than just, you know, setting in guidelines. This is, you know, you flicking at the bulk areas, making sure that everything runs smoothly. So what I'm doing basically is blending down, okay? I got my 0 guard with the lever closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm kind of just, you know, making that bottom half lighter, running it into the 1 that's the next level, not really going up to that 1 between the 2 level, just keeping it right below that 1 guard. Now with the lever open, I'm basically doing the same exact thing that I did with the 0 guard closed. I'm just working in that area below the 0 guard closed, flicking out, making sure I debulk those areas, making sure everything runs smoothly. And this basically is the last step that I'm gonna take besides, you know, detailing. I'm not gonna close the lever anymore, take it any lower. To me, a shadow fade is with the lever open. So anything lower than that, you're kind of gonna go bald. So in the same way that I faded the taper is the same way I fade the beard. I'm not gonna fade the beard drastically, but I'm just gonna give a little taper to it. So lastly, I like to detail the blend. I like to use my corners, get in those areas where I see bulk, kind of break those areas up a little bit. A tip that I like to give is I like to rest my eyes before I, you know, do my detail work, because staring at the blend, it could kind of alter your vision to where, you know, it causes you to just see blur. So another thing, utilize your mirrors. The mirrors don't lie. The mirror will give you another perspective on the blend. Next, I'm gonna work on the beard. I'm gonna blow dry and pick it out. This, to me, stretches the hair out to its maximum potential. That way I could get a good shape on it. tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.